Hello everybody, welcome back. Happy Thursday. So today we're making some Friends cupcakes. I'm such a huge fan of Friends and I was like, you know what, this is like the perfect video to make. So let's get started. Alright, so first we are going to make Ross. You want to spread some peach colored buttercream onto the entire surface of the cupcake. Then take some dark brown buttercream and pipe Ross's hairline first, and then pipe his tufts of hair. So for all the men, you want to do the hairline first because they all have different hairlines, and this is a really good way of distinguishing all of them. And also the recipe for the cupcakes and for the buttercream will be linked down below if you want to pick it up. Wait, if you want to make it, not pick it up. I don't sell cupcakes. And also the full recipe with what kind of piping tips you need is also listed down below. Then you want to pipe Ross's eyes with some black buttercream, as well as his nose and mouth. And so for his nose, he has a longer nose, so you want to pipe a longer nose onto the cupcake, and it will really make the cupcake look like Ross. I am actually quite proud of myself that I made a cupcake that actually looks like David Schwimmer. Like, don't you think? Then to make Rachel, because of course if we're doing Ross, we have to do Rachel right after. What you want to do is spread peach buttercream onto the entire surface of the cupcake. Then pipe her hair with some medium brown buttercream, and then go in with some light brown buttercream and pipe it on top to create her light highlights. This is like, I styled after like the traditional Rachel hair. Her hair changes throughout the series, but this one I thought was like most quintessentially Rachel. Then pipe her eyes, nose, and eyelashes with some black buttercream. And so for all the girls, we're piping eyelashes as well, just because I think it looks so cute. And for her mouth, we are using a lip sprinkle. I'll link it doing below if you want to pick it up. I think that they're so cute, and Rachel is like kind of glam, so I thought that this would be fitting. Next, to make Chandler Bong, I had to include that in this video, you want to spread some peach buttercream onto the entire surface of the cupcake. And then again, pipe his hairline first with some medium brown buttercream, and then pipe his little tufts of hair. Use some black buttercream to pipe his eyes as well as his nose and his mouth. And since Chandler is always joking, I did like a little laughing mouth to kind of signify that. Then to make Monica, spread some peach buttercream onto the entire surface of the cupcake. And then you want to use some of that same dark brown buttercream that we used for Ross's hair to make Monica's hair. Since they're siblings and they have a similar dark hair color, I decided to use the same color. Then use some black buttercream to create Monica's eyes, eyelashes, and nose. And we're also going to use the same little lip sprinkle to create her mouth as well. Next, to make Joey, spread some peach buttercream onto the entire surface of the cupcake. Then use some black buttercream to pipe Joey's hairline first, and then pipe his little tufts of hair. Now, I don't know if he actually has black hair, but I wanted to somehow distinguish the guys from each other because I was worried that they'd all look the same. And since Joey has quite dark brown hair, we're just going to use black. It's fine. Then use some more black buttercream to pipe his eyes, his nose, and his smile, and last but not least, his eyebrows. I was hesitant about doing his eyebrows, but if you guys remember the scene where Chandler has to like wax Joey's eyebrows because he got a comment from work saying that they were too bushy, I thought that this would be a good moment to reflect in the cupcake. Next, to make Phoebe, spread some peach buttercream onto the entire surface of the cupcake, then pipe her straight hair with some yellow buttercream. And I mean, arguably you could probably make it a little bit more brown to kind of make it more of a blonde color, but this is fine. Then use some black buttercream to create her eyes, her nose, and her eyelashes. And we are using a pink lip sprinkle to create her mouth just because she's like a little bit funkier than the other two girls. And so I thought pink would be fitting for her. And we're also using some sprinkles to create her earrings because she always has like really funky accessories. So I thought that it would work best here. And when you are creating Phoebe, you want to put the mouth like a little bit lower than you did for Rachel and Monica's because she has a slightly longer face, so that will make her face look longer in the cupcake. And you are done. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you liked this video. Comment down below and tell me what Friends character you are. I think I'm a combination of Rachel and a little bit of Monica. My boyfriend is very Ross, so it kind of makes sense how like it's like Ross and Rachel coming together in real life, except we are not as dysfunctional, I think, and we have not gone on a break as of yet. So watching this, I don't want to ever go on a break. Anyways, yeah, let me know also if there's any other TV show you'd like me to turn into cupcakes. I'm thinking Seinfeld, I'm thinking Sex and the City. There are so many things to do. even like YouTuber cupcakes. I think that would be so cool. So if there's anything you have in mind, let me know in the comments down below. But yeah, I love you guys so much, and I will see you on Sunday for another weekly vlog. Bye!